I got broads in Atlanta, just at the lean, the family. Credit cards in the scammers, hitting the licks in the van. Legacies, family. Wait and see, look like a
Guys, it's K-Still back with another video, and this time I'm gonna tell you guys about a story how I got played by the girl in middle school. So first of all, I just moved from Chicago to a town called Lyons, like probably about 10,000 residents. But the middle school I went to was Worth Washington Middle School. You know, transferred there the first day. People wanna know who you are and like what sports you play and stuff. And I told them that I played basketball, football, and volleyball, stuff like that. And you know, I instantly started making friends and stuff like that. So I guess about a month has passed. I was like already, popular if that was they call in middle school. And so I was sitting at lunch table with my group of friends, and this girl came up to me. Her name was Nicole, and she was like, yeah, she was like, what's your name and stuff like that. Told her my name and everything, and we started talking and stuff like that. And like we started getting serious, and like we started noticing how like we liked each other and stuff like that, or so I thought. And my friends were telling her about like be careful and stuff like that, because she's the type of girl like that's not like faithful and stuff like that. So I'm just like, okay, I'm gonna watch out for it. But I wasn't really trying to listen to what they say. I mean, she was hot. So and like not even 2 weeks passed and we started having trouble and stuff like that. But old dumb me, I kept on with it, kept on trying to fix the relationship. And so one day she was on the volleyball team, and I went through her phone when she was playing, and like she gave it to me, but of course I made sure her friends wasn't looking at me. So I saw all these texts from a dude named Derek, and I'm just like, hold on, like my friend told me about this, but I didn't really believe him. So me being nosy and stuff, I went through her phone because I know her passcode, because she been like unlocking her phone when she by me, so I just be looking. Don't judge me. Anyway, so I went through the phone, I read the text message, and like can't believe what I found in there, like dick pics, nudes from her, him, and like they kept calling each other babe and stuff like that, And like I'm just like I didn't really like the girl. Like I liked her, but not like to the point where I like get depressed over some fun. But no, I was just like kind of like I was mad because I got played, but it's just more of the story. You guys gotta like watch who you date and stuff like that, because if I can remember, I spent like over like $300 on her, like in a week. Like in the first week, I spent like $300 on her. Like so, it was money down the drain. And it's like bought her like jewelry, probably some shirts, some pink shirts. I'm kind of popular for some reason. And yeah, so it was money down the drain. And I was like, I'm not really mad about I'm not really sad about how like stuff like that. I'm just mad because like waste of time, because I spent stayed up like all night and stuff like that, talking to her on the phone while she fell asleep and stuff like that. And like I just feel like I just wasted my time, like sleep time. Like I gotta have my 9 hours of sleep every day, and I just feel like I just lost like sleep time. And I'm a straight A student and stuff like that, but in like my grades is going down too, because I was losing sleep and stuff like that. But you guys gotta listen to your friends more often, because obviously I didn't. And you gotta like watch who you date. And I know you guys like hear this all the time and from your friends and stuff. It's might not apply to you, but people out there who's like me, dumb and stuff, especially you transfer to a new school, you gotta listen to like the friends and stuff. And I know like you haven't necessarily been friends with them, but you gotta take chances, stuff like that. You gotta listen, like let's listen to them. So don't say, oh, we're not really friends and stuff like that. Don't say that, because that's because you haven't been friends with them for over a year. Like no, you just gotta listen to what people say. Sometimes you gotta take advice, because I was just really stubborn and stuff like that, so I didn't listen to them. But yeah, more so listen to your friends, watch who you talk to, and like I learned a lesson from that and stuff like that. And but yeah, if you guys like this story, like and comment below of some of the stuff you guys been through like similar to this. And like if I get 100 likes on this, I'm gonna post more commentaries about what happened in my life, stuff like that. So thanks for watching, guys.